All right, so I am on my way to find this trail that I'm hoping I can do some off-road and maybe find a place to fly my drone. And on a beautiful road here, quiet. You can see all the mountains in the distance. And this valley where I'm riding, where Palm Springs is located, is surrounded by mountains. And some of the mountains are very tall. There's one peak that's at 8,000 feet and another at 10,000 feet.
Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
All right, so I'm making my way to this Bear Creek path, and I'm using my new GoPro Hero 9. The last GoPro I had was the Hero 7, and this is the second time I'm using it, the new camera, and they've made a few improvements. One welcome improvement is the voice commands have been expanded. Some of them have actually changed, but now I can turn the camera on with my voice, whereas before I had to physically push the button to turn it on, and the power button has also improved, which is really, really nice. And the last time I used this camera, I had it set for a lens accessory, and some of the footage came out a bit distorted, and I didn't think the image stabilization was as good as my last GoPro Hero 7, and so I'm hoping that will be improved in this video. And also, some of the sound was inconsistent, and I'm still trying to figure out what happened there, because I pretty much always have my microphone attached, and so let's hope the sound is a little bit better this time too. But I'm making my way to the mountains here, towards the mountains. I'm going to La Quinta, where there is a creek bed, and when it's dry you can ride in it. So I'm going past a golf course here, and so many of the sidewalks were built so that the golf carts can ride on them. There are over 100 golf courses in the area. You can play a different course for over 3 months before you need to repeat, start over again. And a lot of the roads are designed for golf carts. I hardly ever see golf carts on these sidewalks, but it also means there's a lot of room for trikes too, so it's very, very nice. Crossing the road. Hi, buddy. Hey, what you doing? All right, see you later. Oh, it was very fun to see you. Okay, so I found the path that I was looking for. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I found. So I've taken off of the Bear Creek path. Yeah, so look at this. I can go right down, and then This is probably a flash flood control, but it's paved. I mean, it's cement. This is amazing. So we'll see how far this goes. Oh, and I could totally fly my drone here. This would be perfect. Perfect. And look at the mountains all around. Oh, just fantastic. Oh, this is wonderful. And it's downhill. Yeah, so I am deep in the sand here, and it's really helpful to look where other people have ridden to avoid this sandy part. So I'm gonna head over here, and I think I'll have better luck. Yeah, we'll see how far this goes, and if I can find a way out in this direction. Otherwise I'll have to turn around and get back to where I got on. But I've probably gone a couple of miles already. Yeah, it seems like it's blocked off here. There's really some very, very fancy resorts down this way, and I imagine this is for security that they've blocked it off. That's too bad. But it does go quite a few miles. And then I'll have to see how far it goes in this other direction. I don't know if I'll do that today, but at least I have found a way to get down here. It's really neat though with these mountains, these hills. It's quite a dramatic landscape. And I can certainly fly my drone down here. No question. Okay, so now I'm up above Bear Creek. And I've seen some people walking up here, and there's definitely bike tracks. No trike tracks. Yeah, it's always fun to try out a new trail and see how it goes. Even if it's off-road and I'm slipping a little bit, that's okay. Yeah, this is really, really an easy place to get on and off the trail, just right here. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this actually. So this is the street I was on earlier today. So I'll just have to remember this fence so that I know this cinder block fence, so I know where to turn, and then I can take that path down to the creek. And I want to try it again and see if I can't go further down the creek and maybe get on in another spot. Yeah, but that's going to be a super cool place to fly my drone, and I can practice, and that's going to be really, really great. Very excited. So much fun. You just never know what's going to happen when you go out for a trike ride. Fantastic. Great day out here. Right. Back to the church. Back to my truck and trailer. Yeah, so I've just had a really, really nice kind of an urban desert ride today. And I found the Bear Wolf Creek path, and I rode in the actual creek bed, and I'm really excited to be able to try my drone to practice in that creek bed. I think that's going to be really great. And trying out my new GoPro Hero 9. You know, let me know, do you guys see any difference? You think it's better? Is the image stabilization a little bit better? And I hope the sound quality is better than my last video as well. And let me know how you guys are doing. I hope everybody remains safe and healthy. And as always, thank you for watching.